Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be the first of a 3-part little unboxing series that I already told y'all, if y'all watched my last video, that I have 3 bangers that I'm dropping. I'm not going to put them all out at one time. I'm not going to oversaturate the channel, dropping all 3 of them at one time. But this is going to be the first one on the channel. So y'all stick around. Y'all don't want to miss what's in this box. Alright, so now if I don't have it in the thumbnail already, we're going to get right into this box. I'm going to give y'all a little hint. This is the second version of a sneaker that's coming out this weekend. That's probably already too much of a hint, but hey, we're gonna get right into it. I will show y'all the front of the box, but it has all my mailing information on it. So let's get into this box. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell, because like I said, we got some bangers coming up. Y'all don't want to miss this 101 that I'm going to be doing on the channel as well. But these, the first version of these were extremely hyped, but I think they were a little bit more limited. But it doesn't matter. These are just as dope. Little backstory. This sneaker right here, I got a notification late on Twitter, like 2 days ago, that Foot Locker was dropping these early. A lot of people got their orders canceled. Lucky enough, I was one of the lucky ones that got through and did not get their order canceled. And if you see this box, as you can see right there on the front, you already know what these are. These are Paul George. These are the Paul George 2.5 PlayStation. Woo, the PlayStation 2.5s right here in hand. Super dope. Now these were not as limited, nor were they as hyped as the originals. The dark navy joints that look like the PS4. But these are modeled after the original PlayStation, the all gray console. And I'll go through the sneaker a little bit. As you can see on the right sneaker, you got the red swoosh on the midsole. On the inside, you got your blue swoosh. All around the uppers, you got your X's and your triangles and your circles and everything else for the controllers, obviously. Then you got George down the heel tab of this one. You got Nike Zoom on the midsole here. And on the forefoot strap, you got more X's and O's and everything else. And you got your dark gray Nike swoosh here. On the bottom, you got your Paul George logo and your blue pods with your clear icy blue bottoms. On your left sneaker, it's the same exact thing, except you got your yellow swoosh on the outsole here, on the midsole, and you got your green swoosh here. It's all going off the PlayStation colors, and it's pretty much the same. Now on the insole, you got PG on one on the right sneaker, and you got the PlayStation logo on the insole of the other. Now, what I think a lot of people missed out on, they didn't know that these actually light up. It was a myth that these didn't light up, so I think that it missed out on like all of the hype. But let's see if that's true or if that's a myth. Y'all tell me if that's true or if that's a myth. As you can see on the right sneaker, you got your Paul George fully illuminated in the blue. Now on the left sneaker, it's not as strong a light on the tongue, but if you flip it around, you can see the power button illuminated on the left sneaker. Super, super dope, man. Super, super dope. Now also hit, like I said, I got these early, but I also hit on a size 5 and a size 11 on the Foot Locker app as well. So I could pick up another pair tomorrow, 2 more pairs tomorrow if I want, but I got these early to show y'all on the channel. Paul George PlayStation 2.5s. Super, super dope. Now y'all let me know down in the comments how y'all feel about these. Do y'all like these? Do y'all like the originals better? OGs are always typically better, but for the $110 price point, you can't beat it. I think these will be a draw on the sneakers app in the morning. But we'll make this video one of those watch before you buy type situations. Even if you hit on the sneakers app, or even if you hit on the Foot Locker app, you may want to watch this video before you go pick up your pair from Foot Locker. Do you like these? Did you know that they still lit up? Super, super dope, man. Let me cut that off. As you can see, it turns off. Let me turn these lights back on. So instead of doing the whole video without any light, appreciate y'all rocking with y'all boy, man. I appreciate y'all coming back to the channel. We still on the road to 1,000 subs. I still got 2 more bangers to show y'all. OV!